In Arabic, when you put the word in front of a phrase, it turns it into a question, istifham. And what happens is, like for example, you have Allah. If you put the in front of it, Allah, you'd say Allahu khair amma yushrikun. Is Allah better, or the shirk? So you have that. Now what happens is when you put a and then there's a hamzatul wasl there, with the al over there. So how do you pronounce that? What you have to do, there's two ways to do it. One of them, they call it the tasheel, which is the second one. They pronounce it between a hamza and a fatah. Say Allahu, Allahu, that's tasheel. Or the other way is called ibdal, where you make the second one into a mud letter. Say Allahu, 6 counts. So that's the rule for it. And again, there's only 3 places in the Quran where you have that, where you have the in front of it, makes a question, and then the alif lam, al, where you have the second one as a hamzatul wasl. So over here, like for example, you have al-dhakirina, and you put a in front of it, you would say, the way that you pronounce it, you would say al-dhakirina with the second hamza as a tasheel between the hamza and the alif. Al-dhakirina, you said al-dhakirina, the second one. Or the second way is the other way to do it is the ibdal. You turn that into an alif. Say al-dhakirina. That's the other way to do it. There's 2 different ways to do it. And the third word that's mentioned, these 3 words, there's 6 places in the Quran. They've mentioned these 3 words here. You have the same thing, al-ana, this is hamzatul wasl. Then you put the in front of it, makes a question, al-ana. And the way you pronounce this is either tasheel, say al-ana with the second easily between the hamza and the alif, al-ana. Or you change it to ibdal, you change this into alif, a mud letter, say al-ana. So those are the rules for it. So that's the rule where you have the hamza of istifham, in the beginning, before it begins the alif and lam of question, and the alif and lam is hamzatul wasl. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.